Hello guys, Abdulbasit is here again for the Big Boss Network. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can buy Upwork Connect. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. The first step is you log into your Upwork account. And after logging into your Upwork account, you click on settings. After clicking on settings, on the settings bar, you see payments, billings and payments. You click on billings and payments, then you add your credit card. After you've successfully added your credit card, then you go to membership and connect. After membership and connect, you see the rate at which you can buy your connect. Then you click on buy.